Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys this platinum, kind of icy, kind of grayish blonde wig. It is a lace front. It is under $80. The wig that I'm rocking today is from a company called HEAHAIR.com, and the wig that I'm wearing is their white blonde synthetic lace front wig. I will have it linked down below, and this wig is $79.99. This wig is 24 inches and it is 150% density. It says it's heat resistant, synthetic fiber, platinum blonde. If you guys have been following me for a while, then you know I don't really wear synthetic wigs. I usually just invest in human hair wigs. I just haven't found a synthetic wig that I feel like looks natural, feels good, is great quality. Like, I feel like a lot of them look super synthetic. But guys, I am so obsessed with this hair. I was not even gonna do a video on this hair. The company did send me this wig, so thank you so much to HEAHAIR, and they just kind of asked like if I could mention it or you know, post like some Instagram photos, and I wasn't planning on doing an entire video on it. But when I got this wig in the mail, guys, and I tried it on, I literally installed it, styled it, everything, I was like, I have to do a video because everyone needs to know about this wig, and I need to tell all of my subscribers about this wig because it's literally amazing. I feel like the thing with synthetic wigs is they tend to look shiny. I feel like the front of them just don't look natural. I feel like the hair quality itself, like they're either like soft in like a doll kind of hair way, but not in like a soft like natural hair kind of way. I just want to say that I literally did nothing to this hair. Now, I did things to the perimeter. I cut a little bit of baby hairs and I installed it, and I cut like these hairs a little bit shorter, but I did nothing to this hair. I did not cut this. There's like shorter parts. I did not do this. This hair came like this. I did not add dry shampoo, baby powder, anything. This hair, as you guys can see, is not super shiny. I'm gonna come closer. Hopefully it's not coming up shiny because I have like a ring light behind me, but this hair is not shiny at all. Like, it literally looks like a good, healthy human hair kind of look. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see how the ends look. It's like nice and natural looking. Sit up for you guys so you guys can see the actual length of the hair on me. It's so long, it's so thick and beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around so you guys can see what it looks like. This hair is just so nice, guys. Like, I'm literally obsessed with it. I was so obsessed with it that I installed it with like semi-permanent lace glue, like, you know, the glue that I usually install my human hair wigs on, the ones that last kind of about like a week, just because I'm so obsessed with this. Like, I feel like it looks so good. Like, let me show you guys up close. I did not pluck it or anything. I just cut in these baby hairs, and as you guys can see, also it does come with ear-to-ear lace. Now, there's probably on like around the ear part about 2 inches of parting space, as you guys can see. And in the center, there's like maybe about 3 inches of parting space. And it also did come with 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the middle, and adjustable straps in the back. Obviously, when you get a synthetic wig, it's different maintenance than a human hair wig. I feel like it's lower and high maintenance in different ways, in terms of when you get a human hair wig, half the time the hair, like, it acts as human hair. So if you go outside and it's humid, it might get a little frizzy, or if you straighten the hair and you go outside again, it might not stay pin straight, things like that. So the thing about a synthetic wig, which I like, is that however it's styled, it's most likely going to stay that way, unless you go out of your way to change the style. So even like these loose waves, I've literally been brushing them all day, like brushing them, and I'm like waiting for them to completely fall out, but they have not. Even like how soft the hair is and how it feels and the texture, it doesn't change. So in that aspect, and also I'm not putting any product on this hair at all, so I feel like I'm not gonna have to wash it like for the longest time, unless like I start putting product in it or anything like that. So in that aspect, it's way more low maintenance. Also, this wig is 150 density, and I feel like that is very true. I feel like super long wigs you would expect to be on the thinner side, but this wig is 150 density, and it definitely feels like it. This wig is really thick, as you guys can see. I'm like squeezing, and there's a lot of hair here. Again, it's just so nice. Like, I really have nothing bad to say about it. I definitely recommend this company. I researched them before I agreed to receiving the wig, and honestly, no one has anything bad to say about the hair. Everyone always says the same thing. It does not look shiny. The hair like feels so soft, and it honestly resembles like human hair so well. It's kind of like amazing. Like, I'm literally in shock. But yeah, I definitely recommend this company. And again, guys, they didn't even know I was to make a video. They didn't tell me to make a video. They didn't send me a script. These are all my own opinions. And as you guys can see, I told you I installed this to last in my hair for at least a week with like some semi-permanent hair glue. So obviously I like it enough to install it in my head. Also offer a lot of different colored wigs, like the pastel wigs that are kind of trending, but they also do offer like natural colored wigs, like dark like brown, black. They even have like more natural looking blonde wigs. So if that's something that you'd be interested in, again, I'll have everything linked down below for you guys to check